Good morning. Today I'm going to prepare my third video tutorial, AI bots for activities for a discussion forum. The task is add these AI-powered tools into 5 discussions forums with ratings for grades. Add the required grades under the completion condition in your course on online courses for free. Okay, let's go then. I just look at all these AI tools and I decided after yesterday meeting in Zoom, I decided to use Mizu. Let's go to my choice. Okay, I started just for preparing the list of different tools here before I decided to go to Mizu. And here is discussion forum. So, it will be evaluated by a teacher, and I'm going straight ahead to this forum prepared with Mizu. Okay, I decided to use this forum for mindful breathing session, and this conversation will be about this. So we can continue, but I think it would be much more interesting for my students. I did it. So let's finish for today. Thank you for your attention.